Before I start to cube my fish, I'm gonna show you what I'm using. This is from Grocery Outlet. This is Orca Bay Wild Ahi Tuna. There's 6 steaks in here. They're pretty thick and it's a really good price. So this is $9.99. This is what I'm going with, and let's get into this. Keep in mind that this is my take on a poke bowl, and this is just how I'm doing it. If you want to use a rice steamer, go ahead and prepare your rice that way. Do it on the stovetop, but for me, I'm going to be using this jasmine rice ready to heat, and it's just quick, easy, simple, and it's delicious. So I just like this and I've been enjoying it lately. Before we toss everything together, of course, we're gonna need a dressing or a sauce for the poke. So this is what I'm using. I'm using 1 lime. I already juiced one. It's right here. 1/2 of a large clove of garlic, chopped. You could press it, you could chop it, you could dice it, do whatever you like. It just depends on your preference for garlic. You know how much of a bite you want. This is what I'm gonna be going with. This is Miracle Whip. I thought the sweeter taste will give a good balance to the lime and the heat that I'm gonna put into this. So this is 40 calories per tablespoon. So that's why I like it. It's kind of good in the calorie count. Plus it has a sweeter taste because we're gonna be adding some lime and some serrano peppers and jalapenos. Give it a good shake. And I'm just gonna eyeball it and put maybe 2 heaping tablespoons, it looks like to me, the juice of 1 lime, and add some pepper, some sea salt. You're gonna give it a mix. Simple but delicious. So let's set this aside and let's get this poke bowl done. Ready to mix everything all together. So I'm gonna start off by adding 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro. This is 1/3 cup chopped cucumber. 1/2 cup of chopped avocado. Or 1 kind of medium to large size vine ripened tomato. I thought I would be able to mix it all in the bowl that I had the tuna in, but unfortunately it's gonna be hard. So I actually got a different mixing bowl and I'm just gonna go ahead and dump it in here. For seasoning, I'm gonna go ahead and add some cracked black pepper, some sea salt. Time for the heat. This is 1/2 of a jalapeno diced, as well as 1 whole serrano diced. So the jalapeno is there for taste, the serrano is there for taste and heat. Right here I have 1/4 cup of a diced red onion, and this is green onion that I actually chopped, just a rough chop, it doesn't have to be perfect. This is gonna be set aside for garnish and or a topping. I'm gonna add my sauce. Let's mix it up. This right here is a Mission Garden Spinach and Herb Wrap. I went ahead and just laid some rice down, add some of my poke mixture. Some green onion. For this, I'm gonna go ahead and just add a touch of lemon. Now I'm gonna wrap it up. This came out amazing. Try it out. I promise you you're gonna love it. And I'll see you in my next video.